Say hello to the camera. What the f are you?
Hey, stuff. I don't like this.
I'm exposing your address.
Please stop. Come down now.
Alright. Good ball. We're doing a pool session with Marcus. He's coming down now. He is coming down. I don't know where he is though. Yeah. So we're doing a pool session with Mark. And I'm already exhausted because I've been working. So this should be fun. I had no clean tops either, so I had to wear this one, which is a compression. So, great. Open the booth for Marcus. Open. Open the booth for Marcus.
No.
What? You ain't doing what?
I've only shaker for like a tenner. Again, what the f? Was 7. 7 shakers I've smashed.
7 shakers.
I think it's 7 anyway, if not more. Spit will like just. What the fuck? That bit'll just snap and then I can't. Shut her. That is the zestiest shaker ever.
It leaks as well. Oh, fuck. It leaks as well.
Oh, you've got one like the twisty thing at the bottom. I have. Look how like long and make it. That's a bit too long.
It's like a solid, like,
5 inches.
good personality. Got a push day.
Push. If we had pull.
Pull.
Pull. Push. 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 Pull. Pull. Push.
Pull. I said pull before. Bro, we've got to go in. Yeah, nice to play.
I told you. Well, you don't listen, do you? You listen, you'd be lethal.
The secret side of me, I never let you see. I keep it caged, but I can't control it. So stay away from me, the beast is ugly. I feel the rage and I just can't hold it. It's scratching on the walls, in the closet and the halls. It comes awake and I can't control it. Howling under the bed, in my body, in my head. Why won't somebody come and save me from this? Make it end. I feel it deep within, it's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I hate what I've become, the nightmare's just begun. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster.
Baby. Aww.
My secret side I keep hid under lock and key. I keep it caged, but I can't control it. Cause if I let him out, tear me up, break me down. Why won't somebody come and save me from this? Make it end. I feel it deep within, it's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I hate what I've become, the nightmare's just begun. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel it deep within, it's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. It's hiding in the dark, its teeth are razor sharp. There's no escape for me, it wants my soul, it wants my heart. No one can hear me scream, maybe it's just a dream. Maybe it's inside of me. Stop this monster. I feel it deep within, it's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I hate what I've become, the nightmare's just begun. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel it deep within, it's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I'm trying to lose control, it's something radical. I must confess that
it hurt. Why? You had a choice. Why did you choose me?
Even if it meant forsaking your aunt?
Yes, if she'd be here now!
Even if it meant hurting her?
If it had to be done!
Even if it meant killing her?
Whatever it takes!
She didn't have the resolve, the strength to turn her back and focus on what's important. But you're not weak like she was. You have the power to break this chain of grief.
I won't let that happen. Anyone who tries to take them from me will get no mercy.
And what if your decision ends up being the wrong one in the end?
That won't happen. Because I'm not wrong. What's wrong is this messed up world. So, I pushed everyone away.